reviewing stock number 195542 on a 2018 GMC Sierra SLT 2500, and our exterior color is black. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo light controls, park assist controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window, and you can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 195542 on a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500, and our exterior color is black.